Küresel alanda Önder Apo'nun fiziki özgürlüğü çağrıları devam ediyor. 100 bini aşkın üyesiyle Britanya'da hizmet sektörünün en büyük sendikası olan SWU yıllık kongresinde Önder Apo'ya özgürlük çağrısı yaptı. Britanya Sosyal İşçiler Sendikası SWU yıllık kongresini online bir toplantıyla gerçekleştirdi. Ülke genelinde 100 bini aşkın üyesiyle hizmet sektörünün en büyük sendikası olan SWU bu yıl kongresinde Önder Apo'ya özgürlük çağrısı yaptı ve kongreyi Önder Apo'ya adadığını duyurdu. Kongrede yapılan konuşmalarda Önder Apo'nun Orta Doğu'daki rolüne dikkat çekildi. Sendikanın genel sekreteri John McGowan ve yönetim kurulu üyesi Dave Callow kongrelerine ilişkin gazeteci Erem Kansoy'a konuştu.
Behind the motion was really how do we as an organisation increase that message about Öcalan and about the campaign and about that situation. That was the purpose of the motion, was that we were asking for our members to be more active in the campaign, the Freedom for Öcalan campaign, but also to put political pressure on our UK government regarding the situation and the democratic rights and social justice that's attached to it. You have allies in the United Kingdom, and you have organisations like the Social Workers Union who are strongly advocating for that position, and to remind everybody that that we're out there as a form of support, and also to build on Öcalan's philosophy. The democratic confederalism is important. It's an important message for us all to consider, and we'll keep on campaigning for your Kurdish civil rights and social justice.
This AGM calls for the release of Abdullah Öcalan, the Kurdish Mandela, and encourages SWU to work with the Freedom for Öcalan campaign and apply political pressure on this government to demand that Abdullah Öcalan be released so he can play his role in the peace process, the Turkish state to obey its own and international laws, a peaceful and democratic resolution to be sought between Turkey and its Kurdish citizens. Öcalan is a key to a peaceful solution in Turkey. He has the support of the Kurdish people, as is clearly demonstrated by the fact that over 10 million people signed a petition calling for his release. The values of Abdullah Öcalan, peace, democracy, equality, are the values of the international labour movement, and it's our responsibility to show solidarity with Öcalan and the Kurdish people.